Hello friends, welcome to Thursday's video. My arch nemesis is back. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna do it in multiple pours, so that way it doesn't, it doesn't hyper shred. Wow. I just looked in here and there's little pieces of resin from it overheating and cracking and all of that. So anyway, yeah, we're going to try this one again. Super quick and easy video. Hopefully it goes okay. So I'm going to pour to probably about here today. Well, obviously in the same video. And then I'm probably going to come back in about 8 hours and pour another bit, and then another 8 hours and pour the last bit. So that's what we're going to do today. I do have more dried roses, but I'm wondering if I should even try it with the rose, because I mean, most of the bubbles that came up were from the rose, so I'm almost wondering if I should maybe just do it in different colors or something. I don't know what I should do. So anyway, that's what we're gonna figure that out today. Enjoy. Hang tight. Whatever. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding time. If you remember Tuesday's video where I made these beautiful mandala coasters, you will have heard me talk about how the molds hold on to bubbles like crazy. And I had a lot of wonderful people comment on that video and say, hey, if you spray the mold with alcohol before you pour the resin, that should eliminate most, if not all, of the bubbles. So that's what I did. And since I was already using alcohol inks for today's video, I was like, well, I'll just drop some of these in there. I did notice that if you spray the mold with alcohol and then use alcohol inks, the alcohol ink does not spread as much. So that's a thing I learned today. I always like learning new things. I'm not an expert in any of this. Okay. So let me see. Wow. Holy crap. It worked, you guys. There is very, very few bubbles compared to the other one. Let me see if I can find, like, it's hard for me to even find the most prominent. I mean, the coaster is very pretty, but, yeah, I don't even know that you guys are going to be able to see this. There's that one little bubble right here. And that's, like, there are a few micro bubbles, but for the most part, this all turned out great. I mean, just look at that. Okay, so there's that, but then look at this one in comparison. And you can see how many bubbles there are in this one compared to this one. I am so happy that you guys told me that. That is so awesome. The coaster did not, color-wise, did not turn out how I thought it would. You know, because the alcohol wasn't spreading. But I still think it's really pretty. I think it looks kind of like a color burst or something. But anyway, yeah. Thank you again to those of you who commented on my last video to spray the mold with alcohol first. Totally works. Absolutely. I freaking love you to death for that. And my life is now fully changed. Alright, that's today's bonus unmolding. Alright, friends. I don't know how this is going to look. I really don't. I had an idea and I went for it. And now that I'm looking at the side of it, I'm like, well, are you even going to be able to see the pyramid that I put in there? So, I don't know. I guess we shall see how this looks. I didn't want to do a rose again, you know, because of all the bubbles that the rose caused last time. I mean, this is going to have a lot of bubbles in it too, but I'm kind of okay with that because, you know, I'm not worried about it being completely clear. Oh, God, okay. Where'd my pyramid go? Hold on one second, guys. Sorry, I'm trying to flip this mold back to where it was. You know, so that way it doesn't warp. Okay. It's really cool. You can't really, well, I guess you can kind of see the outline of the pyramid, but because that part was clear with, you know, it kind of blended in with the, I mean, it's cool looking in person. I'm not sure that the camera's doing it much justice, but it is very cool looking in person. Of course, the problem is you've got this whole line of micro bubbles right here. But, I mean, it's not warped. It's not, you know, terrible like the rose was. So I'm not terribly mad at it. It's really cool looking in person. I really wish the camera could do it justice. Like, it looks really cool. Not exactly what I was going for, but there it is. I do like the idea of it. I do wish that perhaps I'd use like a pyramid like this one that has the ink all the way to the top instead of most of it being clear, you know. But yeah, I don't know. I like the mold. I think it's a very cute mold. I think you could probably do a lot of stuff with this mold. A lot of different ideas. But that's it. That's today's video. I guess stick around for the glamour shots. I'm hoping I can get like a much better angle of it from my phone camera for the glamour shots. But yeah, so anyway, if you enjoyed today's video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really does help out my channel. Also, if you are new and you like things like this, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.